Hello, Forex traders. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learn Forex with Davidson. In today's video, I bring you something exciting. I bring you good news. I bring you good tidings. Of course, I always have good news for all of you, So, in today's video, we're going to be talking about something really important, something you need to know about, and something you must note down. So, grab your pen and paper and stay locked in as we dive into what we have for today. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are seeing my face for the first time or if you're hearing my voice for the first time, my name is Davidson, and every weekend, every Sunday, I come on board here to give you free Forex chart analysis on different currency pairs like the GBP USD, XAUSD. We talk about indices or the stock market. So if you do not want to miss out from a market analysis from a pro, I want you to smash that subscribe button right now, like this video, and turn on the bell notification icon for this channel so that you never miss out whenever I bring you amazing and juicy content just as this one. So without wasting much time, let's get started to what we have for today. Like you can see on my screen right now, is stating that why you must learn to trade Forex before 2026. Why you must learn to trade Forex before 2026. So you might be asking yourself, I do not know how to trade. I don't want to go into Forex trading. Oh, I'm a beginner Forex trader. So why do I really need to trade Forex? In this video, I'm going to unveil to you, I'm going to give you full insight into why you must learn to trade the Forex market. Let's get started. So, the most common reason why people learn to trade Forex is to trade for profit. Of course, if I start out Forex trading, or if you start out Forex trading today, the main goal is for you to make money from the Forex market. So, while that is great, trading to make money, trading for profit is just one of the many benefits of acquiring a forex trading skill. So one of the reasons why you want to learn how to trade forex is because you want to make profit, is because you want to make money from the forex market. Is because maybe you have a dream car, you have a dream house, you want to buy that Lamborghini, you want to buy that Bugatti, you want to buy that Range Rover, you want to buy that Rolls Royce. So forex trading can actually give you all this luxury lifestyle. I mean, you can name a few. So there's a lot you could do with your trading skill that could make you money without having to trade and risk your own capital. So this is another aspect or another side about forex trading. So you do not really have to trade before you can make money from the forex market, or you don't really need to use your own capital to trade before you make money from the forex market. So in this video, I have highlighted some of the processes you can go through to make money from the forex market, or from the time forex, without you having to risk your own capital before making money from the forex market. So one of the things you can do to make money from the forex market is running a consulting firm. So by this way, you want to set up, in your living room, in your bedroom. You can just set up your podcast. You know what I'm talking about. You can just set up an office space, where people come to you and you show them step by step process how they can start out to becoming from a beginner forex trader to becoming a successful forex trader in just a little time. And you have the responsibility of holding these people's hands and showing them step by step on how to get started to become a pro forex trader. That's number one. And number two is working as a technical analyst. So for you to work as a technical analyst, you must have had an understanding. You must have been acquainted to the forex market. You must have known some things, how to analyze the forex market, how you can see where price of stocks, where price of pairs, where price of currencies are going to go to if they're going to fall, if there's going to be a crash in the forex market. So you can be a technical analyst. You can work for firms as a technical analyst by analyzing the stock market for investors, telling them why they should invest their money in a certain stock or why they should remove their money from that particular stock, because you as a technical analyst know that that stock is going to crash in the future. So your job is to analyze this stock market, forex market, so that investors do not put their money in a wrong way. So that's another way of making money from the forex market. And another way is trading for profit. Like we said, come on, the primary objective of learning to trade forex at first is because you want to make profit from the forex market. Don't forget, you want to make profit from the forex market. And another way is you can run a trading academy. I mean, we have a lot of forex trading academy out there that are owned by pro forex traders. So for you to own a forex academy, you must have learned forex trading. You must have a good understanding of the forex market before you can start out a trading academy. And so, if you want to trade the forex market for profit, this is the obvious reason why anyone would want to learn, to trade forex. And we have pros and cons of trading for profit. One of the pros is you become your own boss. I mean, by the time you start trading the forex market, you become your own boss. You make your own money. You can trade whenever you like for profit. You make money while you are even sleeping. You open a trade by 8 a.m. in the morning. You go out, you chill. On Friday, you go out for clubbing. You come back, your trade is running. You're making profits. So this is an extra source of income. And note, it has pros and it also has cons. So the cons is that it requires time, effort, and patience. Remember, for you to succeed in the forex market, one of the characteristics you must have is you must be a patient trader. You must have patience. You are not trying to force the market to do anything for you. You are only trading according to the trend. So this is one of the cons of trading for profit. It requires time. You have to take risks on your own capital. So if you have a capital and you are taking trade, that means you are risking your own capital, and you are not 100% in control. So markets can be uncertain, markets can be unpredicted at times. So if you are trading your own money, you are taking all of this risk. Then we also have running a consulting firm. Like I said, you can become your own boss, you build a company around the idea, you extra income from solving people's problems. Like I said, people come to you and ask you, Davidson, how can I start trading Forex? What do I need to start trading Forex? What do I need to become a Forex trader? So you can put these people through all of these steps for them to become a forex trader. You can also set your own terms. You get, so you charge whatever fees you want. So you can charge by section. People come to you, you can charge them by sections. We also have the cons. So the cons is that it requires capital to set up a website or other necessities. So if you are going to set an office space, so this is going to actually cost you, some amount of money to set up a space. You can even to run ads, to gain recognition that okay, you have a firm, a consulting firm for this topic for forex trading. It will cost you some money for you to set this up. And we also have, it requires knowledge and experience with trading. So for you to be a consultant, for you to be able to, put people through in the forex market, you must have had an experience with trading, right? You must have a good experience in trading. We also have technical analysts. If you want to become a technical analyst, some traders get employed by brokers. I mean, I know a lot of traders out there who are employed by brokers to be, to work as a market analyst for them, and the pros is that you get an actual job, and these jobs are high paying jobs. I mean, high paying jobs. You earn extra income through salaries and bonuses. It also help others other traders make money with your skills. You get. So if you are a pro analyst and you're analyzing the market, and I'm taking what you analyze, it means I'm going to be making money because I believe in you. You get what I'm talking about. It also has its cons, don't forget. So one of the cons is that getting this kind of job is not guaranteed. Yeah, it's not guaranteed, and little or no flexibility on how you spend your time. It requires commitment. So these are many things you should consider if you want to be a technical analyst. And if you want to run a trading academy, one of the best way to take advantage of your trading skill beside your personal trading is to teaching others how to trade. So when you teach others how to trade, they are ready to pay you whatever you want, whatever you charge. They are ready to pay you to learn how to trade forex. And the pros are you become your own boss, generate income and steady cash flow. You can see all the pros on the screen right now, and it also has its cons. It requires capital for you to set up a website. Everything that will help this trading academy to run. It's going to require you some capital, require you time to make content and put your experience together. It requires trading skill and experience to teach others. So for you to be a tutor, for you to be a mentor to others, you must have a good trading skills. You must have a good trading experience. So that is that about how to start and why you have to start trading forex before 2026. I mean, I didn't say this in the beginning, but I'm going to tell you this. Technology is really taking some jobs away from people already. I mean, AI has been going into new levels. We haven't experienced the depth of AI yet, but it's disrupting a lot of things already. People are losing their jobs. So you do not want to lose your 9 to 5 jobs in 2026. So what you want to do for yourself now is learn how to trade the forex market. You can learn how to trade the forex market and not trade the forex market with your own capital, like we looked about trading for profit, about setting up academy to teach other people how to trade. So you don't have to risk your own money. You can learn how to trade the forex market and impact the knowledge to others, while others pay you. You charge them and you teach them how to trade the forex market. So ladies and gentlemen, that is that for this video. And in the next video, we're going to be looking at other sections about becoming a pro forex traders. I mean, this we are still in the beginner section of introduction to forex trading. This is our second video, and as we go on, we're going to be looking at other aspects of the forex market. We're going to be looking at market structures, price action, but we haven't gotten there. That is the advanced level. So in this beginner level, we are still looking at step-by-step process to get you into the forex market, to give you a better understanding of the forex market. So, and to remind you, we have um, 30 days trading challenge that is coming up in the next 15 days. This is going to be a trading challenge. We're going to go from $50 to $1,000. So you want to join that trading challenge. You want to be among the people who are going to cash out. You want to join the trading challenge right now. Click the link in the description of this video to join the Telegram channel so that you get other updates about this challenge. See you on the inside. Bye for now.